I'm Will,
I'm Ethan.
and we got this, and we're gonna put it on all of this. We gotta do this work in some other room. We're in the office, and we're gonna need
Scissors, Velcro adhesive stickers, and foam blocks.
Let's do this. Before we start working on these things, we gotta show you how we got these things.
Here we go.
Sure. Got ran into the back of it.
And 5 vlog.
Max, give him a high five.
Even echo. Nice.
Let's get to work.
All right, so we got all the supplies, but we need a lot more things. You will see. Ready? These.
Maybe I'm painting blue. What I'm about to do.
Oh, it's recording.
All right, so got it done. All of it.
That's a lot of foam blocks to put sticky Velcro stickers on.
Now we got to take it to the student center.
And I can't get out. Oh, man.
See you there. Styrofoam. Oh boy. Now we have problems. Oh God.
Bloopers.
I don't even know if it's oh good, it went through the door. Alright. That'll work. Good thing about styrofoam. Kamikaze. Alright, go ahead. I got your underwear in there too. Try it again. Okay. Alright, you wanna do that? You wanna do that? Hit the camera? Be like go like this.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Before we actually show how try it again, hold on.
Okay.
Deuces.